Hello again. I'm Washington Wedderburn, and I'm the Principal Product Manager for Ansys Digital Mission Engineering Set of 2. In this latest video, I'll be running through a high-level overview of the 2025 R1 release of Systems Toolkit, Orbit Determination Toolkit, and the STK R10. As usual, there'll be opportunities to dig into more details by viewing feature-specific videos that you'll find on this channel. Ansys Digital Mission Engineering introduces several notable updates and enhancements for 2025 R1, empowering users to tackle a broad range of mission design challenges. As the proliferation of large satellite constellations continues to accelerate, the need for tools that enable rapid performance assessment of potential configurations is ever greater. While the choices of how data can be optimally moved through a constellation can be varied, there are certain basic methodologies that provide valuable first-pass evaluations. To that end, this SDK release has added a new optimal strand-by-duration option that enables users to obtain quick insights into any constellation configuration. This provides a viable mechanism for addressing a communication problem where switching transmitter-receiver lengths can improve cost. For radar designers and operators, it is not often very easy nor intuitive to assess the performance of a given radar configuration against a specific designated target. To aid in that task, this latest RF channel modeler has added multiple tools to simplify this effort. Direct access to raw radar images provides near instantaneous performance feedback for any tracking signal. The same scenario that is used to build input data for CDM embedded within RFCM will also present the generated CDM radar image in the SDK scenario for data analysis. This allows analysts to exploit the radar image and understand the scattering phenomena associated with the collection scenario. Additional enhancements to the workflows allow users to benefit from STK's native 3D visualization layer by aligning and displaying resulting radar outputs as an overlay on top of the input 3D wire. User phased arrays often require those antennas to simultaneously track multiple objects using built-in rules for deciding how and which targets warrant a dedicated view. Users will now have a built-in ability to construct a set of rules without requiring scripting solution. Phased array antenna can select targets based on minimum range, maximum closing velocity, or other user-defined priorities. Continued planned exploitation of the Cislunar region of space has spurred the need for new capabilities in order to safely operate spacecraft around the receiving L1 and L2 Lagrange points. The same concerns that exist in geocentric space, such as maneuver plotting, collision avoidance, contact scheduling, all exist in Cislunar space. Consequence of failures in these regions can be far costlier to recover from. In response, ODTK will now include Cislunar initial orbit determination for IOB functionality, designed specifically for vehicles operating in this multi-body gravitational environments. ODTK will now also include a mass estimation capability. This provides a critical ability to estimate fuel usage time for performance of any maneuver, as well as estimating remaining fuel mass post-maneuver. The ability to manage fuel usage is paramount in planning the operational lifetime in spacecraft. Last but certainly not least, the value of model-based systems engineering can be overstated in the overall engineering life cycle. This latest SDK release has greatly enhanced user interactions with the behavior execution agent by enabling better window management, configuration discoverability, and control over running simulations, especially those containing breakbooks. These key updates to 2025 R1 enhance the capabilities across mission design and analysis, RF modeling, and systems engineering integration to better support the growing complexity and scope of modern aerospace system development. So with that, I will say thank you for watching this video. For additional details on these features, be sure to check out some of the additional video mods that are available through the Ansys channel. These releases are available from AGI.com, and as usual, you can always reach out via support@AGI.com if you have questions regarding any of these capabilities. Thanks for watching.